Hi, very good evening, guys. Today I'm going to teach you all a voice. As we know, voice is a very important part in the grammar, right? Because time and tense we have already learned. Now we all are going to learn this voice. Voice का मतलब क्या होता है? हिंदी में हम इसको वाच्य बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? वाच्य. Yes, exactly. So see, how we can just make active to passive, passive to active. There is a rules. So let me start with the rules, guys. First, as we know as like we know all simple, present, tense, right, guys? Simple present tense, and the rule is when you make active to passive. Let's see, the first sentence is he writes a letter. Why it's as verb is a writes? Because subject is he, she, it, and names. We will place is on is, right? So rule is, am, are plus V3, that is verb only. Okay, fine. And here what is happening? Subject becomes object, object becomes subject. How? So he writes a letter. If the passive will be, what will be? Ritu, you stand and just tell me what will be.
A letter
is
written by him.
written
By him.
by him. Everyone, please clap for him. Very good. Actually, I'll tell you this is the proper answer. Now there is no problem in this format, right? Simple present tense we learned. Now we'll be learning continuous form. Okay, what it will? Present continuous. सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Tense. And active what will be? What will be the sentence, guys? He writes a letter. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? You stand. You stand. Tell me. What will be? He writes a letter. It is the simple present. Now he is writing. Louder. Very good. Everyone just clap for her. Writing a letter. Now Roshan, you stand.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what will be the passives, and rule is, am, are plus being plus B3, that is verb 3. Okay, fine. So what will be the sentences?
A letter is being written by him.
Very good. Everyone just clap for him. The sentence will be a letter is being written by him. If subject is she, then her. Understand? If subject is she, then her. Because subject is he, that's what we are written, that him, right? No confusion in this as of now. Now we will understand present perfect tense. Okay, now I'll just tell you, you make a translation in this present perfect tense, the same format. He has, louder beta please, he has, very good. Everyone just clap for Kushi. Written a letter. Okay, now Salzburg please, the rule is, first I'll write the rules. Passive rule is, okay, has, oblique have, plus been, plus, it's yeah, plus B3. That is the word only. Fine. What will be the sentence in the passive, Salzburg?
A letter has been written by him.
Repeat again.
A letter has been written by him.
Very good, very good. Everyone clap for yes, a letter has. Why has? Because letter. If it is a they, then have. Okay, fine. So a letter has been written by him. So now we have complete, guys. Now this is all about the present form. Now we will be understanding about the past format also. Okay, past format, then we will be understanding about the future format also. Right? Done? Okay. Stop.